1 bag regular chocolate M&Ms. Now we're just adding in 1 cup of Karo syrup. Perfect. Now I have my Skippy creamy peanut butter, and I am going to add in about 1.5 cups of this, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Perfect. Now we're just gonna add in 1 cup of pure cane sugar and some salt. Can't have sweet without salty. Now I'm coming in with my honey caramel Chex, and I'm just gonna add in about 6 cups. All right, we're gonna start stirring and incorporating this all together. We wanna get everything covered in that peanut butter, that Karo syrup, and our M&Ms. We're making a super easy and sweet, delicious treat today. Y'all are going to love this. It's gonna be your new go-to favorite, fun, easy recipe. And the fun thing about this is also doing it in the air fryer, which just really gives like a one-stop shop. You are only dirtying one little pan, the basin of the air fryer here, and it just is so easy to mix this all together, to form it into the final treat, and just make a super yummy, easy dessert. All right, I'm gonna pop in with some semi-sweet chocolate chips here right on top. That's gonna create a delicious, easy chocolate layer, and I'll just give these a little spready spread. Yummy. And I'm topping that with 1 stick of salted butter. I like the salted kind. And now I'm just gonna pop this into my air fryer. Now I'm just turning my temp to 350 for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Alrighty, y'all. We let our yummy, yummy treat cook for 20 minutes. Now I did let it cool down. I drizzled some chocolate right on top to just really finish it off. Some sprinkles would be so cute here. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is about to be delicious. Cutting down into that hard, conjoined chocolate. Oh my, yes. Oh, it's gonna have that peanut butter goodness, that sweetness, our Chex, the crunchiness, our M&Ms. Ooh, I'm just gonna get underneath here. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this yummy, delicious treat. Now, y'all, if you put this in the freezer, it will harden into a solid bar. Mine's a little bit crumbly, but yours is gonna be perfect, I promise you. Oh my God, this is the best thing I've ever had. Y'all, you gotta try this.